Hello everybody, Andre is here, and today we have another window project, actually 7 windows and one beautiful patio door with mini blinds inside. So I'd like to show you and talk about this patio door so you can see how nice it is. So let's have a look on the outside, how the door looks outside. That's basically nicely trimmed with aluminum. When we get closer to the door, you can tell all these beautiful clean cuts. At the bottom it was wood, pretty much with the paint peeling off before. Now it's nice and neat and maintenance free. Okay, so here we go. That's how the blinds operate. You can lower them completely on both sides, or you can move them up. So basically you can open it, or it is possible just to open them. So basically it's going to be like regular window blinds. You have like several positions, what the best suits you. And like I said, it works for the both sashes, both sections of the door, the right one and the left one as well. It's pretty much nice and easy to operate. Boom. Let's see. So that's how these blinds operate beautifully. So just moving up and down these little levers, and now close. Yep, here you go, closed. Nice. We do have a foot lock as well at the bottom. So basically what we can do, we can open a couple of inches of the door and nobody is gonna get in from the outside inside the house. Or it can be like an extra lock. Look how nice and smooth this door glides. Basically you don't even have to place any effort, and without any noise. You don't hear even any kind of noise. Boom, it's locked. So it glides on the bottom. I can say that this door is definitely, it glides on the bottom, and every door has a half screen as well. I mean, that's the only way to do it. With a patio door, you should have only half screen. That's it. Okay, so all in all, you could say that you saw how beautiful this door is. It's nice and easy to operate it, and it comes with a lifetime warranty as well. So what else do you need? Beautiful door, ease of use, and pretty much secure as well. So thank you for watching.